Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video today, what I'm going to talk about will be different from what I've been talking about before. So right now we are talking about NFTs. On this video right now, I will show you how to buy NFTs on Trust Wallet and how to make up to $100 on the same NFT marketplace, on the same place, how to make up to $100 from this platform. So guys, as you can see here, I have two NFT already. This is it. I have two NFT here already. So right now I will show you how to purchase an NFT on this platform, where I will show you where I purchased the NFT. As you all know, NFT is just a new virtual virtual image or picture, or you can call it ticket. Sometimes it can be used as a ticket. So right now I will show you how to purchase an NFT from a platform. So if you want to purchase an NFT, just check the description of this video. You will see a registration link there. That is not actually the registration link. You will see a link to a document. Just enter into the document. When you enter into the document, it will show you something like this. Let me show it to you. Something like this, exactly like this. So all you need to do is to copy this one right here. So just copy this one here. Copy it. So when you copy it, now go to your Trust Wallet. For example, let's say I copied it now. Now go to your Trust Wallet browser, which is that browser down below here. Sorry, let me open it again. So go to your Trust Wallet browser here. This is just a easiest way to buy NFT, and I will show you how to make money also on the platform. So click on the browser, then paste it here. Paste the code, the address you copy, paste it here, then search it. Just search it. Just search it. So as you can see, I have it here already. So just search it. Now let me click on the platform. Let me search. I've already searched it. So this is the platform right here. As you can see, there are a lot of NFTs here on this platform. You can see, if I click here, you will see my NFTs, the two NFTs that I bought on the platform before. I can resell these NFTs at my own price. I can resell this NFT if I want to resell it, or you can transfer it to people. Just click on transfer if you have someone you want to sell it to, or you can sell it to in other places. So right now you can see NFTs here. If you look at this one here, if you want to buy this one, so before I do that, let me show you how to connect your wallet on this platform. Firstly, let me show you like this. I'm coming. We have pasted the link into our DApp browser, so it will show you something like this. So what you will need to do is to change this Ethereum contract here, change it to smart contract. Just click on it, then choose BNB smart chain. BNB smart chain, just choose this. So after you choose that, click on connect. So when you click on connect, it will connect to the platform, to the NFT platform. So that is how to connect your wallet. If you look at up here, you will see that I don't have anything yet here. So let me go back to my normal account. Let me go back to my normal account. So right now I'm on my normal account right now. So if I click on my NFTs, you will see that my NFTs are here. So this is my normal account. So right now, if you want to purchase an NFT, you can just look through anyone you want to buy. Just look through them. Just look through them. This one, if you look at this one is 0.005 BNB. This one is not even up to $2. If you look at it very well, it's not even up to $2. So you can purchase any of the NFTs. Many people have made a lot of money with NFTs all this image you are seeing that look like rubbish in your eyes sometimes, some people have made more than $1 million only on one NFTs, only on one NFTs. So you can just look through them. The one you want to purchase, just look through them. You can look. This one is 300.5 PMB. You can search through them. The one you like, search through them. You can buy, purchase any of it. So right now I am still searching for best one. I think I should go for this one here, but let me still be looking. So let me still continue searching. Still continue searching for more NFTs. So right now, guys, if you look at this one here, this one also is good. So just look for the best one, the one you like. Okay, this is Kabi. Let me just try this Kabi NFT here. This guy. Let me stitch search. Look for more. Look for more. Actually, the NFTs here are cheap. They are cheap. And still you will still see the one with 1 BNB. As you can see, this ape NFT here, it's sold at 1 BNB. Also this one too, this one too, it's sold at 1 BNB. Also this one, also this one. You can look through them, check the one you want to purchase, check any of it you want to purchase. Okay guys, let me purchase this one. Let me purchase this one. So if you want to purchase it, just click on claim. Click on claim. So waiting payment. So right now they will deduct 0.005 BNB from my wallet. So that is equivalent to $1.31. So they will deduct it from my wallet. So all you need to do is to just click on approve. So click on approve and wait for the transaction to be executed. Waiting payment of 0.005 PNB. So right now I have purchased it. As you can see, this is the smart contract called executed already up here. So right now I have purchased the NFT. So let me go to my NFTs here, up here, and show it to you. Here, click there. So if you look here, you will see that I now have three NFTs here. If I go back to my normal wallet on the Trust wallet, I will still go back there and show it to you. Is there? My NFT is on my Trust wallet already. It's on my wallet there already. So right now, again, if you want to make money on this platform, this is how to make money on this platform. Let's click on about first. Click on about. You can just copy, click on about and check more about them. You can read more about the platform. This is hunters NFTs hunters. You can click more about them. So how it works, that is how it works. So on this platform right now, you can also make extra money on this platform by, sorry for that, let me show you this thing. So you can also make extra money on this platform by using your referral link here, your referral link up here. Send it out to any of your friends that want to purchase NFTs. So when they purchase NFT, you will get 2% from whatever they purchase. We get 2% in BNB. Yes, I think it's 2% or 20%. Let me find it for you. So this is it right here. You will earn 12% BNB on your referral claims. So that is how to make money on these NFTs. How to make extra cool money apart from the NFT you buy, you sell on the platform, on the in here. So this is how to make extra money on this platform. Buy and sell it with NFT, and you can also make money using your referral link. For example, let's say someone buy an NFT of $12. So on that NFT you will actually make 12% of, I said, for example, let's say someone buy an NFT with that worth 1 BNB, you will earn 12% of that money. You will earn 12% of the 1 BNB. So let me show you my NFTs here. So just click on NFT here on your Trust wallet. Just click on NFTs, click there, you can refresh it. So right now the one that I just bought is not load here yet, so it's not yet showing here. So you can click on it again to just review it, check it very well. Okay, the NFTs is here already. So guys, this is how to buy an NFT from this platform and also make money from the same platform. Also, you can sell your NFT anyone. If you want to sell it, just click on transfer, then enter the person wallet address here and you sell to the person. So that is how to sell NFTs and how to buy from this NFTs hunter. So guys, thank you for watching and see you soon on my next video.